Remember those old family videos shot on DV cams, high 8 tapes, or early phones? Grainy, soft, washed out, almost impossible to rewatch, right? Today, I'll show you how to restore and upscale old footage to HD or even 4K using Filmora's new AI video enhancer powered by Topaz. And the results are shocking. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Most old footage has 3 problems: low resolution, motion blur, and noise, faded colors, and details. Trying to fix this manually is hard, and traditional sharpening makes it worse. Filmora 15.2 now uses the same technology behind Topaz AI models to rebuild detail intelligently. Inside Filmora, you'll find a new option called AI Video Enhancer using the Topaz Starlight model. This model is trained to reconstruct faces, textures, and motion without over-sharpening, so your old memories look newer, cleaner, and sharper. Let's see how to use it. First, launch Filmora and start a new project. Next, import your old memory footage into the media bin and place it on the timeline. Then make sure your footage is selected on the timeline. Then go to the video settings, scroll down, and you will find AI Video Enhancer. Here, you will get 2 models, Enhance and Topaz Starlight. Select the Topaz Starlight and click on Generate. With Topaz Starlight, you could wait a little longer as it predicts detail, rebuilds missing edges, restores faces, reduces noise, and lifts resolution to HD, 2K, even 4K. Once it generates the video, it will replace the current footage with the upgraded one. Now let's see the result. Watch this. The original looks like a ghost of reality. Soft, washed out, full of grain. The enhanced version, suddenly you see textures, clothes, and tiny details nobody noticed before. It's surreal. It feels less like upscaling and more like time travel. Why Topaz Starlight matters. Because someday, these clips become the only way to revisit people, places, and times we can't go back to. And when you watch them in high quality, something changes. The distance between then and now gets smaller. So if your family has boxes of tapes, DVDs, or old SD cards filled with memories, bring them back to life. Filmora's AI Video Enhancer with Topaz models makes it possible and easier. Because memories don't fade, they just need better resolution. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.